free, 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 free. So frank, a body of a lady I have found at Villa Franca, and so pleasing too, who welcomed me so frankly and so true, that from a free man she has turned me bound.
But how this frankness leads me to serve, that should, if I were a serf, set me free.
For a worthy lady with her frank sweetness makes a free man's heart quickly her servant.
If I had any frankness of my own, I would love her frank, noble body well. But I have not so frank a daring to aspire to such frank friendship.
Yet her frank worth I'll still make her, till many a free man I make a serf become to her,
whom I love frankly and with honor, with a true frank heart, though not by love's right.